Okay, I got my project and it's all done, completed, and I don't want to just print it or share a print. I would like to make it so that others can come into Canva and edit it, but not affect my design. So I'm going to go up here to share. I'm going to click template link and create a template link, and then I'm going to copy that code. And then I've already designed my order form or my thank you page. And so I'm going to, this is my template, and I just go over here and I change the name of it. So I'm going to change the name, and then I'm going to click on it or highlight it, and then there's a link. I'm going to click link, and I'm going to Control V that code, and it's done. Done. And then I'm going to share my template as I'm going to download it, and I'm going to share it as a PDF standard, and don't flatten or anything, and then just download. As soon as it's done downloading, you can open it up, and then whoever you're sending it to, they can click on the link, and it should take them to the template to edit. And the computer's going to be slow, but there you go. And then they're going to click edit template, and it won't affect your design. And that's all there is to it.